A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. for East Central Essex, Northwestern Windsor, Southwestern Orange, Southern Chittenden, Southwestern Washington, Addison and Northeastern Rutland counties. At 4:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ripton, moving south at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60. National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Windsor County in southern Vermont, Orange County in central Vermont, central Washington County in central Vermont, southeastern Addison County in central Vermont, southern Caledonia County in northeastern Vermont, northeastern Rutland County in southern Vermont until 5:30 p.m. At 4:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from North Montpelier to East Roxbury to Salisbury, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bury, Montpelier, Chelsea, Orange, Hartford, Randolph, Norwich, Heartland, Williamstown, Berlin, Bradford, Royalton, East Montpelier, Bethel, Warren, Calais, Sharon, Corinth, Brookfield, and Tunbridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Here is the latest special weather statement. An area of showers and thunderstorms